Hey everybody, this is Chris. So as a nail tech, you've probably had a client walk into the salon with a broken nail and you don't have a lot of time to fix it. Well, today I will be showing you one of the easiest ways I repair an acrylic nail in just a few minutes. So let's get to it. Okie dokie guys. So if you're a nail tech, you've probably run across this problem once or twice. Your client comes in and they've broken their nail and they don't have a lot of time, and I'm sure they say, I have no idea how this nail broke. Yeah. So my client has brought in the tip that she broke, but we're not going to use that. I'm going to show you guys how to fix a broken nail in as little time as possible. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to take my e-file and I'm going to reduce the bulk of the acrylic nail. So now when I get to the tip of the nail, I'm going to angle my Dremel this way and we're going to make a little ledge. Go ahead and get rid of any excess dust. So now I'm going to take a cuticle pusher and I'm going to push back her cuticle. Okay, so the fastest way that I've learned how to repair a broken nail is by using a form, and I'm just going to prepare that form and place it on her nail. And now because we filed the free edge thinner, it's going to be able to create more room for us to build up our apex and give strength to the stress point. So I'm going to be using Glam & Glitz, a diamond acrylic collection in the color Adore, and this is a beautiful rose gold acrylic glitter. Okay, so when I want to do a quick repair, I pick up a good sized bead and I start at the apex, let that sit for 2 seconds, then go ahead and bring it all the way down. And you want to blend the top of your bead into the nail that's already there and slowly push the product where you want it to go. Now Glam & Glitz acrylic powders are very good to work with. I've noticed that they keep their shape whenever I'm trying to sculpt and they're not running all over the place, so I really like to use them. So now I'm going to pick up another bead and I'm going to apply it to the top of the nail, feather in towards the cuticle area, and then bring that product down towards the free edge. Okay, I'm going to check my stress point, make sure that there's a good foundation, enough strength so that this nail isn't going to break. We're going to go ahead and let this dry. Okay, now I'm going to check to see if this nail is dry. That sounds good, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the form. So now we're going to go ahead and file, shape, and buff. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my favorite top coat. It's Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat. The best thing about this top coat is it doesn't leave a sticky inhibition layer. So as soon as it comes out of the light, it's good to go. So now you're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Okay guys, this now looks good as new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I do my simple and fast nail repairs. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys! If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to watch more tutorials. You can click the boxes to watch the next video, or click the info card button at the top right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.